Carlo here. In this video, we are going to unbox one of the most anticipated phone for 2019, the new Huawei P30. Sa pre-order ng P30, may makukuha kang isang Huawei Smartwatch GT. So here is the official box of the new Huawei P30. So it has like a triple camera. The phone has 128 gig of storage, 8 gig RAM, and the colorway is breathing crystal. So what are we waiting for? Let's open it up. So on top is the phone itself. So let's set this aside first. Underneath is another box for SIM ejector, and inside of it is the Huawei warranty card, the quick start guide, and the free clear case. And inside of it is a supercharger. Huawei supercharger. USB Type-C cable. And the headphone jack. So unlike the P30 Pro, yung P30 meron pa rin siyang option for headphone jack. And now, let's set up the phone. So there are different ways to protect your device. So I'm gonna try to set fingerprint ID. The fingerprint ID is now set, so we are now okay. So now let's take a look at the storage. So use 12 gig out of the 128 gig. So taking a look at the phone, at the bottom is the downward firing speakers, the headphone jack, and the USB Type-C port. On the left is the SIM card and memory card tray. On the right side is the power button and the volume rockers. So at the back is a triple camera setup. So at the back is 40 megapixel wide angle, 16 megapixel ultra wide angle, and 8 megapixel 3x telephoto. The display size is 6.1 inches, OLED FHD 2340 by 1080. So under the hood is a Kirin 980 chipset, 128 GB of storage, and 8 GB RAM. The battery is 3650 mAh. One of the major cut down ng P30 sa P30 Pro is yung IP rating niya from IP68 is down to IP53. And from ×50 zoom sa P30 Pro, it was down to 30 times sa P30. And unlike the P30 Pro and yung other flagship phone, etong P30 doesn't have a wireless power share, which is I think importante sa isang flagship phone. So in front is a 32 megapixel front camera. So let's take a look at the sample photos. Let's try it. This one is the wide angle shot. The 3x telephoto. So here is a sample video. And now let's try the sounds. Huawei and Samsung are setting the new standard for smartphones. Imagine yung mga cameras nila ngayon, grabe ang gaganda. Plus, yung price is very competitive. For the amount of 36,990, nakuha ko na tong P30. Plus, meron pa ako nakuhang free na Smartwatch GT ng Huawei worth 12,990. So parang ang binayaran ko lang around 24,000. So sobrang sulit na talaga siya. Plus the cameras, grabe. Yung front and back, so very impressive. Napakaganda niya talaga. And nabasa ko din right now, Huawei at saka yung Samsung is head to head when it comes to the sales, kasi talagang ang gaganda ng mga nire-release nila this year. Now, pagkagamit ko itong Huawei P30, re-review ko siya after mga 1 week. And then see you again on the next vlog. And sa ngayon, I feel sorry for Apple. Grabe, ang gaganda talaga ng Samsung and Huawei this year. That will do it for today. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.